Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a gold bronze makeup look. I posted something like this on my Instagram. It was inspired by Belle from Beauty and the Beast. A lot of people liked it, so I was just going to recreate it and show you guys how I did it. So first things first, I'm just going to prime my eyes. I think I've mentioned this in like other videos before. I always like to do my eyes first because it takes me the longest, so I like to just get it out of the way. My face is like a little pink right now because I was just outside. I went to Best Buy and I had like a face mask on and it was so tight on my face, and now like my cheeks are like super pink. So I just put some face oil on and like this hydration treatment just to kind of cool it down. So today for this look I'm going to be using this palette by Tarte. I actually don't know what it's called, but it has a bunch of like beautiful colors. You know, a lot of light tones, a lot of soft tones, a lot of dark tones, and then it also has like a highlighter, it has bronzer, and it also has a blush. First, go in with this color right here, Water Lilies. Just has like a nice base for my eyes. And I am going to go in with this color right here. This one is called Fresco. A lot of times I like to do golds and browns on my eyes. I just found that they look really good with like my skin tone. So this is like a really good palette for that because they have a lot of soft tones in here that really complement your skin. So now I'm going to use Frameworthy, and I'm just going to start from just the middle and then work my way out. Actually, I'm going to use like a different brush. On top of that, I am going to put on Van Gogh with it right here, just to kind of darken it up a little bit. I'm using this dark color right over here. It's called I think it's called 1-2 Mane. It's supposed to be like 1-2 Many, but it's spelled differently. So right now I'm just doing that. And I'm just gonna blend it as much as I can. And I'm just trying to focus on the outer parts of my eyes right now. I'm gonna use NYX's Glitter Primer. And I'm just gonna put some on a brush and then just put it all over my lid, closer to my inner corners. And I'm just like lightly dabbing it in. This NYX is Face and Body Glitter right here. So how I typically do this is like I'll just like the cover, and I just put a little bit of gold in here. And then I'm going to use this and then tap my brush in there, take the color, and then put it on my lids. I'm just going to line my eyes for when I put my lashes on. I'm going to go in with some lashes. These are Kiss Wispy lashes. They are the next gen Wispy Blowout lash. So I really like these ones. You can tell from the box I use them a lot. I have like hooded eyes, so I can't use anything that's like too dramatic, and these ones are pretty good. Like I get like a nice flare and they look natural. So I'm just gonna use Kat Von D's Dimension powder in dark brown to do my eyebrows. I'm just like looking at my arch and I made it so well defined, but whatever, we're just gonna work with it. I used to use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I really love that. This is the first time that I switched to powder. and it's not bad. Like, I do like it. You definitely have a longer lasting product. Like, this will last you forever, but you definitely have to be a lot more precise in terms of how you're gonna shape them, how you're gonna blend them when you're using powder. I felt like it was a lot easier when I was using like just the pencil. So now I'm gonna do concealer. This is Tarte's Shape Tape. This is in the color light medium beige. So I put it on my eyes. I like to put it on my forehead, a little bit on my chin, and then just a few dots here. I'm using Kat Von D's translucent powder, so I'm just gonna like let that bake for a bit. In the meantime, I'm going to use Clinique's Chubby in the Nude foundation stick. It's a foundation stick, but I use it for contouring. This color is 26 Amber. So I'm just gonna make like a fish face. I'm just gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna put a little bit of primer water on it. Then I'm gonna use this highlight by Tarte. It's called Authentic, and I'm just going to highlight the areas of my face where natural light tends to hit. So that would be my cheekbones, my nose. I put a little bit on like my chin and a little bit on my upper lip. Just gonna go back into this palette and use the bronzer. They have two colors in here. There's one that's more of like a cool tone bronzer and one that's warm. I'm gonna use the warm one. This is Unique, right over here. Not like too much, just a little bit. So whenever I'm putting bronzer on, I like to like make a 3 on my face. Now I'm just going to use Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is in the color Warm and Fuzzy. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked this. This was really fun for me to do. If you have any suggestions of what videos you would like me to do, any kind of looks, please comment down below. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!